What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am out at Outlaw OHV Trail. This is long overdue, I know, but I wanted to give a review on the SUR-RON. This is the 2020 SUR-RON Light BX Black Edition from Luna Cycles, and I need a bottle opener. Nope, that ain't gonna work. That goes in the pocket, tread lightly. All right, so where was I? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I am in Sedona, Arizona, and I'm testing out the SUR-RON here. I've been out here for 2 weeks. That's about when I got this thing, is 2 weeks ago, and it's long overdue for my official honest review on the SUR-RON Light BX. I bought it from Luna Cycles. It was kind of a difficult process to get from Luna Cycles. It was really late. Wasn't super good customer service on the phone from what I personally experienced. I've heard a lot of good things about them, but my experience wasn't honestly that great. As far as the bike goes, I absolutely love this thing. I paid just under $4 grand because I went and picked it up from Luna Cycles, so I got reimbursed the $180 for shipping. The version I got has the D&M shocks on it, which I absolutely love. I'm really glad I got this version. This thing is completely stock still. Haven't even put air in the tires or anything. I've been hitting it on some hard trails. It's really, really fun. I haven't had any problems with it yet whatsoever. Is it worth it? Yes, absolutely. This is one of the funnest toys, one of the best purchases I've made in a long time. It's really, really fun. I'm 6'3", so I'm a bigger guy, but I enjoy the kind of smallness of it because it makes it really easy to ride on single track trails, which is really fun. It's kind of the reason why I got it. I was looking at another 250 or 450, and with having to register it in California, you know, the green sticker, red sticker crap you hear about, this came across as the perfect option. It's really awesome. It's kind of a hybrid between a mountain bike and a dirt bike. Super cool. I've been leaving my house, riding it in EP mode, which is kind of like bicycle mode, I guess. Top speed of 28, 31 miles per hour. Just in the bike lane cruising. I'll get up to the trail, throw it in sport mode, and I am hauling. It's really, really torquey. I've hit, I think, 52 miles per hour in sport mode is my highest. Really, really fun, man. This thing is amazing. I was a little skeptical about getting a Chinese manufactured bike, but yeah, no issues. The parts, everything they use on this is really high quality. Like I said, it's completely stock. I haven't even put air in the tires. I've had it for 2 weeks. I've been beating the crap out of it. I drove it in the rain, through the mud. I've sprayed it down with a hose. Of course, I didn't hose down any of this right here, but I hosed down all that and all this, and yeah, it's great. No complaints. Really good purchase. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below and I'd be happy to answer them. Like I was saying, I'm at Outback OHV Trail in Sedona, Arizona. Further testing this thing out. I want to do a full month completely stock, beating the crap out of it, so I can really put this thing to the test. And yeah, so far it's doing really, really good. SUR-RON is a really unique bike. Absolutely love it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. most likely answer that question same day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I have been making all the videos of the trails I'm taking this thing on. I will be doing modding videos. I have some really cool ideas for this thing. A few of them have been done, but yeah, you just wait and see. This thing is gonna be so sick when I'm done with it. So stay tuned. I'll be doing repair videos. Probably gonna take the kickstand sensor off, the brake sensors off, so I can rally a little bit more. But like I said, I'm keeping it completely stock for the first month of really hard testing this thing, because I want to be able to give you guys a straight up honest review on, is this thing worth $4 grand? So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Woo! This is not going so well. All right, let's try this again.